at Hartwick, you get involved right away. And we really need you as a first-year student to be involved. And however you want to get involved, that's where you should get involved. So if you want to be a stage manager, or try directing, or try acting, or try playwriting, or try play analysis, different things, design, we need students to get involved in the clubs and in the classes. So a lot of larger universities, it takes a couple of years before you even get an opportunity to do any of these things. You just have to take classes. But here, the first week, the first semester, you'll be on stage, or you'll be helping backstage in a meaningful way. Like I've cast so many first-year students in main stage plays, and in other larger campuses or other even probably small colleges, that doesn't happen. But it's just the nature of our program.